Hey everyone, in this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you how to add a credit to an invoice in QuickBooks Online, fast and easy. First, go to the plus new button on the left menu, then select Credit Memo. Choose the customer name that the credit applies to. Next, fill out the product or service, amount, and any tax details if needed. Click Save and Close once done. Now, to apply the credit, head to Sales Customers. Open the customer's name and select the invoice you want to apply the credit to. Click Receive Payment at the top right. Click See the credit memo listed under Credits. Check the box next to it. Then click Save and Close to apply the credit. And that's it. You've just added and applied the credit to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. All updated for 2025.